Welcome student. Today we are discussing the test for carbohydrate. There is a question to detect the presence of carbohydrates or protein in the given foodstuff. Okay. So for that you have to take one compound, that is this is the powder to detect carbohydrates or protein. For that you have to take this carbohydrate, means this is the compound. You have to identify either it is contain carbohydrates or protein. For that you have to take this powder and then add Benedict's reagent. This is the Benedict reagent now added in this solution. Now this is the powder plus Benedict reagent. Now heat this solution. Now observe that there is a change in the color. That blue solution turns into the red and brown PPT. This experiment shows that the given compound contains carbohydrate.